In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Brother scanner. Now the first thing is to take the paper out. So we can just take it out and you will see there is an orange light flashing here. Now if we go to the main screen, we can see it is still flashing as we have taken the paper out. Now press and hold the power button until it switch off. Release it. After few seconds, press the power button. Release it once you see the lights flashing. Now wait for the scanner to start. The orange flashing light is gone and the paper jam is resolved. So we have fixed the paper jam. Now we can start using it again. Thanks for watching.